guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lindsay Lauren. In today's video, we're doing some French curly braids, which I got from my local hair shop, and they were £9.99, I believe. And yeah, these are the products that I'm gonna be using, and I will put the pictures on the side so you guys can see them properly. But yeah, it's just a tail comb, the braids, and what do you call it, hair wax, yeah, which I bought from my local shop as well. And yeah, that's me opening the hair, you guys. So I'm not really doing any, tricky method. I'm just doing what I'm used to. So yeah, that's how I usually do my braids, because I didn't want to complicate it. So yeah, that's what I did. And yeah, first thing was first I opened the braid and then opened my hair to my size, actually, because I didn't want them very too tiny. So I decided to make them a bit, small but not too small, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's me braiding. I don't know, like, this is very self-explanatory, you guys, so you're just gonna have to watch this part. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm at the end of my braiding, because that's how far I want the braid to go anyways. So now I'm gonna pull out a small piece from the braid and then put a hair wax on it and just wrap it around my finger and tie it. But I tie it on the second time as well. But after I did that, I noticed that it was unraveling and I didn't like that at all. So what I did was I went back with my rubber bands. Okay, you guys, so this is me editing right now. So I'm gonna tell you a background story about the braids, because like I said, this part is self-explanatory. So yeah, let me just give you guys an idea about the hair before you get it done, just in case. Because with me, I believe I had a reaction to this hair. It was very, very like itchy on my scalp. It was unbearable, you guys. That was like after 2 days of me doing my hair. And yeah, after 2 days I took it out, you guys, because it was very itchy and I was having spots on my head as well. So I just had to take it out. I couldn't bear it. I couldn't sleep. So I took it out. But yeah, what else? It was tangling as well. It was getting very, very tangled. I didn't like that either. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be doing this hairstyle again, because yeah, it was very itchy on me. I didn't like it at all. So bear that in mind before you get this hairstyle, you guys. Just have that in mind. It doesn't mean that it's gonna have the same effect on you as well. It might not react the same way as it did on me, because I already know that I have a sensitive scalp anyways. So I try not to do too much. So yeah, you can just try for yourselves, you guys. But yeah, that's just that. Wanted to let you guys know that. But anyways, yes, that's me finishing at the ends of the braid. And yeah, probably I'm gonna play some music on this part and see you guys at the end of the video. guys, so that's me after doing the hair. Can you see how good it looks, you guys? Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on me. But yeah, I love the color. It looks so gorgeous. I actually did a good job, you know. I'm quite proud of myself. Looks very good. But yeah, that's me spraying my hair with my sulfur. That's good for dandruff, itchy scalp, and stuff like that. So yeah, love using that stuff. And then I'm gonna go in with mousse, just shake it first and then just put it all over my hair. Doesn't really matter with this one, I just put it all over. Even on my scalp, I do put some as well because it's so refreshing, you guys. But yeah, that's me finished. And after mousse, I am going to go ahead and just brush the ends because as you can see, they're curly anyway. So yeah, we're obviously gonna have to brush the ends after putting the mousse. Okay, you guys, that's me done, and it took me 5 hours, I believe. This was so long, but yeah, that's me done. I'm quite happy with how it turned out, you guys. Yeah, that's me feeling myself. Quite happy with my work, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.